Requests: how to tell if you're getting a 404. I'm using the requests library and accessing a website to gather data from it with the following code. I want to add error testing for when an improper URL is entered and a 404 error is returned. If I intentionally enter an invalid URL, when I do this, I get this. Edit. I want to know how to test for that. The object type is still the same. When I do a .content or a .text, I simply get the HTML of a custom 404 page.
Look at the r.status_code attribute. Demo. If you want requests to raise an exception for error codes for XX or 5XX, call r.raise_for_status. You can also test the response object in a Boolean context. If the status code is not an error code, for XX or 5XX, it is considered true. If you want to be more explicit, use if r.ok column.
If your request is made inside another function, but you want to catch the error in a higher level, it is good to know that you can also get the status code directly from the exception. In my case, I could not access the response since the HTTP was raised before my function was able to pass on the response. I ended up doing the following.